Most leather sewing machines on the market are underpowered junk that can't handle thick hides. Pick wrong and you're left with torn seams and wasted leather. Ever tried a machine that balks at saddle weight and thick thread? Stay with me and you all know exactly which model fits your leather projects. Today, I'm going to be going over the best sewing machine for leather that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the SINGER 4411. With a rugged metal frame and a motor delivering 50% more power, the SINGER Heavy Duty feels ready for leather tasks. A robust internal framework supports a broad fabric range, and the machine offers 11 built-in stitches with 69 stitch applications. The top drop-in bobbin system with a transparent cover makes thread visibility effortless, preventing mid-seam surprises. The machine reaches up to 1,100 stitches per minute, enabling rapid projects and seamless multi-layer stitching. The metal frame and reinforced construction resist flexing under pressure, keeping stitches stable when sewing thick seams consistently. Ease of use continues with the top drop-in bobbin insert that lets you see thread supply through the translucent cover. Included accessory pack with assorted presser feet broadens capabilities for hems, zippers, buttonholes, and repair tasks across fabrics. In practical testing, the machine handles leather and denim with controlled feed and minimal skip stitches under pressure. This model speaks to hobbyists moving into serious sewing, small studios seeking dependable speed and durable construction today. Compared with a typical budget machine, the SINGER 4411 delivers sturdier build, stronger stitch control, and better leather handling. The pros include powerful for tough fabrics, fast sewing speed, and sturdy metal frame. The cons include steeper learning curve and bulkier footprint. Considering price and performance, it represents a strong value for leather craftsmen seeking speed, reliability, and room to grow. For serious leather projects, the SINGER 4411 stands out with power, speed, and reliability, turning rough materials into refined results. At number 4, we have the SINGER Portable Mending Machine. Designed for quick on-the-spot repairs, this cordless handheld mending machine targets crafters, travelers, and dorm dwellers who crave instant fixes. Its performance leaning toward lightweight fabrics makes it ideal for hemming drapes, patches, or minor repairs while avoiding full-scale sewing. Its compact dimensions measure 8 by 2.5 by 1 1/8 inches, delivering remarkable portability without sacrificing basic sturdiness. The cordless handheld design eliminates tangled cords, enabling mending anywhere from a chair to a car trunk, which suits on-the-go repair needs. Equipped with a single thread feed, it delivers simple, focused stitches perfect for quick repairs or temporary basting instead of full garment construction. The package includes the mending machine along with bobbins, needles, thread spindle, needle threader, and comprehensive instructions for user-friendly repairs. This device is not meant to replace a regular sewing machine, instead serving as a lightweight solution for quick, temporary repairs and projects. Though optimized for lightweight fabrics, it can handle leather repairs in a pinch, revealing surprising versatility for on-the-go fixes. Weighing barely more than a small gadget, its light construction reduces user fatigue during extended use, making it a practical travel companion. In real-world tests, it mends lightweight fabrics smoothly and quickly, delivering a temporary fix until a full garment repair is possible. This package includes the mending machine, several bobbins, assorted needles, the thread spindle, a needle threader, and comprehensive instructions for confident repairs. For power, it runs on 4 AA batteries or a separate power adapter, both not included for budget-minded buyers seeking flexibility. When compared to a standard compact sewing machine, it sacrifices stitch variety and power in favor of instant repairs and portability. The pros include portable cordless design, bundled with threads, bobbins, and thread spindle, and an extremely budget-friendly price point. The cons include not suitable for heavy fabrics, limited stitch options for a full repair, and batteries not included, forcing extra purchases. At number 3, we have the FEIYUE FYe310. The energy-saving servo motor delivers smoother stitching and lower power draw, making long sessions on leather more sustainable and cost-efficient. This model feels compact and approachable, targeting hobbyists, students, and small studios who need flexible results without heavyweight equipment. The chassis uses a robust metal frame that provides reliable stability while handling dense seams and multiple layers common in leather projects. It offers 23 built-in stitches for everything from simple seams to decorative patterns, supporting diverse leather projects. Thread jam protection with blinking light helps prevent motor burnout by automatically stopping the machine when tangling occurs. The complete starter kit includes 6 bobbins, 3 needles, 5 presser feet, a foot pedal, and a detailed user manual. Automatic needle threading saves time and reduces frustration, allowing you to begin leather sewing quickly after a simple setup routine. When placed against a similar machine, the FEIYUE FYe350 offers improved motor control, steadier stitching, and a more supportive starter kit. The pros include durable metal frame, generous starter kit, and quiet energy-saving servo. The cons include a higher price relative to basic portable machines and limited computerized features that leather crafters may not require. In practical testing, it handles denim, leather scraps, and layered fabrics well at ultra-slow speed, maintaining stitch consistency without thread breakages. I found the FEIYUE FYe350 to deliver dependable results across leather textures, though setup can be slower for absolute beginners. The starter kit value, energy efficiency, and heavy-duty capability make it a compelling choice for hobbyists. Pricing sits around $159, making the FEIYUE FYe350 a compelling choice for hobbyists seeking dependable leather results. For leather enthusiasts who value durability, simple operation, and energy efficiency, the FEIYUE FYe350 represents a solid mid-range option. At number 2, we have the FEIYUE FYe310. This FEIYUE FYe310 entry-level friendly machine is designed for beginners and hobby sewers who want dependable performance while staying portable. Build quality feels solid thanks to a sturdy metal frame and thoughtful weight distribution that minimizes wobble during busy FEIYUE FYe310 sessions. The footprint remains compact for home studios while still accommodating thick fabrics through a high torque drive in the FEIYUE FYe310. Equipped with 25 built-in stitches, this FEIYUE FYe310 model handles basic repairs, decorative accents, and stretch seams with ease. The automatic needle threader speed setup and eliminates repetitive eye strain, letting you focus on the creative process. Sew thick denim or canvas with confidence thanks to an integrated metal frame and a high-torque motor that maintains even feeding. The servo motor feature includes an automatic needle threader to simplify setup, dramatically cutting prep time for each seam. What you get includes 6 bobbins, 3 needles, 5 sewing feet, and a foot pedal to start sewing right away. Compared to a typical entry-level machine with a traditional motor, FEIYUE FYe310 feels more nimble and energy efficient. The pros include sturdy metal frame, versatile stitch options, and quick setup accessories. The cons include a modest rating and a learning curve for complete beginners seeking advanced features. For leather projects, the FEIYUE FYe310 servo-driven power maintains steady feed, reducing snags and ensuring even stitches across thick hides. The box includes 6 bobbins, a welcome convenience that keeps beginners sewing without immediate extra purchases. Overall, the FEIYUE FYe310 offers durability, practical features, and strong value for leather projects and everyday sewing tasks. At number 1, we have the Zasidler Direct Store Handheld Sewing Machine. This kit includes a sturdy storage case and a 109-piece assortment of threads, needles, bobbins, and buttons for endless repairs. The handheld unit features a resilient blend of plastic and metal, delivering an ergonomic grip that reduces fatigue during extended repairs. Powering options include 4 AA batteries or a 6-volt adapter, delivering flexible use without a wall outlet when needed. Designed for adults and beginners, this portable tool promises simple handling and quick fixes for everyday clothing, bags, and home projects. The storage case keeps items organized with labeled compartments and secure latches, ensuring quick finds and minimal clutter while you work. Beyond the sewing machine, the kit includes needles, threads, scissors, a seam ripper, and a soft tape measure for repairs. Upgrade technology provides greater power, quieter operation, and tighter stitching, while the compact design remains easy to control for beginners. The kit covers a wide range of fabrics, making it suitable for mending clothes, jeans, bags, pet clothing, and DIY projects. In practical tests, the stitching remained tight and consistent, with smooth thread feed that minimizes snagging during typical repairs. The price is $35.9 and the product holds a 4.3 out of 5 rating. Compared with the Aroma ARC 914 SBD mini sewing machine, this Zasidler device wins on portability and overall value. The pros include durable build, comprehensive accessory kit, and portable design. The cons include batteries not included and limited power on heavy fabrics.